start to stream it. I hope everything works fine. I'm sorry. So okay, so I think I give you some content now. Yes, I do. Okay, so the resolution should be a little better because I have okay. Okay, let's do this. So yeah. I will just wait for some people to come around here so they can maybe watch it too. Hello Ricklan. I'm so tired today. Well, to drink some cola. Okay, so what you see on the screen is the new launch setup feature, and this will allow us, the players, to pick more than one payload to the firing, and this will be pretty needed to the crew missions, which I'm going to work the next after it. And yes, so I made some progress with the UI, as you can see, and I'm struggling now with the errors I made because I have to rewrite the whole mission system, and this takes time and a lot of. I just won't speak that. Okay, but the good thing is that I'm able to make that because I'm Dennis. So there are a lot of errors in that. So not in the script because I removed the half of the script actually, and now I'm going to fix the others. But I will stream now. And this is pretty spontaneous, you know. Aren't actually planned because I make streams when I can. I mean, when I have time. Come on, my phone is ringing. Okay. I will answer him later, but now I will just put my phone on the do not disturb. Hello, 27311, am I right? 27321, okay. I love you numbers. Okay, so let's start more work because I have a lot of work to do. Needs to be finished. So I have actually, I can show you the plan. Right? Yes, I can do here. So this is me, the full screen, and I have the plan. So this is the plan, basically. This is the mission list. You will be able to see the payloads you have, and then you click the launch button instead of selecting rockets and the launch pad. And then you have like this is just code logic. So then you have this window, in which I made, and in this window you will able to select payloads, and you will be able to fill the firing up, and you will be able to select the launch pad and the landing zone, and then you will see the finances and the launch button. Then you will have the casual launch window with some improvements, and this is code logic. logic as well. So where are we now with this what I made? Actually nowhere, because I'm like here. Because I removed the full stop, now I need to fix it, and then I can start here and then go here. So this is my this is just a Y, this is static. So I will probably remove it in the code when I code it. So I will maybe change the scene back to the display. Okay. So one more drink cola. Because I'm afraid I don't know how to do this. But hello, I made AI. When I can do AI, then I can for sure do this, because this is not AI, this is just the ifs. I can do everything. So let's do this. Oh. Okay, so my chair don't because I'm falling the whole time to the right because the floor is little bit a fraction small. So percent or the fraction. I don't know. We will see. I think I will just leave the both of them because this looks kinda cool. I think, in my opinion, my honest opinion, because the this just looks cool because there is text. I mean, I will think about it, but this is of course the fairing size, the medium, small, and large. So let's do the maybe project panel. What is with that? Rocket data mission? Nope, that's not what we want. You want the mission setup data. Okay, so this will be our class, and we will need it. Project panel, rocket data. Nope, I will need it in the rocket data itself. This will be here. So mission setup data, and the mission setup data will contain variables like what to the game. What am I doing? Let's see. Where is the payload data? Access. Oh, here. Okay, so we will for sure the public int, maybe static. I don't know. What do I have here in the launch control? Yes, I think I will just do static. And because yeah, no, I need to do int. Yes, because I will have the reference to this class through other lists. So I will just do a casual public int without static, because this is quite not needed in that situation. And I will give it a mission ID. Okay, and as a public string mission name. The funny thing is, you will be able to pick the mission name. I think. Yes, I think I will do that. So you can just. The game will defaultly generate a random mission name based on the payloads, but you will be able to just name the mission, and the mission will contain like 10 payloads. So let's see, you will make a Elon 1 mission, and this will be Starlink satellites, something like that. So I will give the freedom to the players with names. That's kinda cool. So the mission name, and I will do enter start here. Nope. Maybe public int mission success public int mission pilot stay. Okay, and will be the payments. Now I need the size. So public int not the size. I will just the orbit payload orbit payloads orbit, and then I will of course keep the payloads. So public payload data, and this will be the payload nodes. Okay, so those are the data which I will so those are the data which I will need to the my Tesla model is autonomous because it drives alone. So I got these Tesla Model 3. This is kind of beautiful, really. But the wheels are a little bit strange because they're a little bit bigger than the full body. I can get the focus. Not. Hello, focus. Oh, can do this. Okay, so no focus. And this is Tesla Model S. And the Tesla Model S has this big spoiler behind. And this looks kinda strange too. And it has a fucking engine behind. This is combustion engine. This is not electric engine. And the Model S has engine under the wheels. I think behind too. But yes, it has here under the car, not in the trunk. Yes, you can't open the trunk. But I also have the Roadster with Starman. Yes, this looks beautiful. I mean, really, the build quality of them is really good. I mean, the Tesla Roadster with the Starman is more metallic. It's heavy. It's really heavy. But the Tesla Model S is kinda light. So I think the Roadster with Starman has some really batteries, and it drives around the table at the night when everybody is sleeping. So yes, and Model 3 I got it from the internet, and I think I will get the Model X2 any time soon. So yes, those are my I hit the display. Okay, so those are my monitors. Okay. Okay, so the players are requesting some rocket testing on the Discord server. I will think about it, like always. So don't worry, I'm always here to help. Okay, so now with those data, I think I don't need more. Payload name, contract ID, this file is that is flying. I think I will also need the is flying. I will just copy it here. Or may I not? I don't know. I will just leave it for now. Okay, so now I will need to fix the other stuff that I broke. So I have so I need to go to the rocket code animation here. Now I can just replace the data with the new one. So orbit payloads orbit. Okay. Okay, so I don't have this number. Okay, so I have an idea. Where was I? Here, okay. I will just create another variable I need actually, and this will be public int link field. Yeah, and this will be of course 0, and when you have like um, when you have like 3 payloads, then it will 90% or something like that. Now I can use it instead of this. I will just write it percentage is more than 50, 51, yes. So when you have a reusable Falcon 9 rocket and you want to fly to the geo orbit, geostationary, and if you have more payload than 50%, then it won't be able to land because you have no fuel. But when you have like only one very small payload, you want to put it up in the space, the geostationary orbit, geo, then you will able to land because this is light, I think. Yes. I know I type much times. Payload target orbit. So in orbit. Yes. And now I will get the orbit here. Now I have another issues like here. Mission dot orbit. Payloads orbit. That will be it. Okay. So the last one variable. Payload target orbit 2. I think it's working. Isn't the music too loud? Because this looks kinda strange on the OBS. Well, okay. I have this mission ID. I think yes. I think yes. That's the idea for it. Because when you have like for example, you have small no, medium fairing, yes, and you can fit 2 small payloads. Coca-Cola. The 2 small payloads into the medium. No, yes, the 2 small payloads into the medium fairing, or 4 very small payloads into the medium fairing, or 1 medium payload into the medium fairing. So when you have like a large fairing, then you can fit a lot of small payloads into it. So you can have like basically more money. from the customer's base. And you can of course offer very little amount of money for the one payload launch. Because yes, this is SpaceX, right, sir? I mean EarthX, right, sir? Data setup. Okay, so I wanted to fix this also because I need to rewrite it a little. Okay, I think I will just do the start way. Oh wait. Maybe if the mission dot payloads dot count is more than 1. Why isn't this working? Maybe length, because this is an array. So more than 1, then it will display that mission name by our space company. So now by, and this will be the player space company. But if not, so if you have only one payload firing, then it will be the mission name and the contract giver, like the contract, the customer name of the first payload, of the only one payload. So contact manager get contact ID. I will just payloads 0 dot and contract ID, and this will do the thing. And this is actually pretty smart. Sorry for my English. This is pretty smart. I mean, I didn't came up on this a little bit earlier, but now I did, and wow. Okay, so this is again the time system, and this is the test system, so I will add it again sometime later. Okay, so now we have only 2 scripts left. Actually, only 1 script because this is kinda bug from this from this code editor, and oh, so many things. Okay, payload name, maybe mission name. What is? Okay. So again, we can just copy the same thing from there. We can just copy it. So if the data mission, 6 people are watching now. Hello guys, what's up? So for the new people in there, I'm coding the EarthX, the game you probably subscribe to, and this is EarthX. So take a look on this game, and I will go back to the coding, because as you know, the games don't code themselves, so I have to do this. And yes, this is working pretty well. So this is the client name. I will just do the same trick from the project panel thing. Contract ID. Hello, Isagreen. I know you, but I don't know from. But I know you from somewhere. And that's okay. Okay. So I'm doing well. Answer the question. So this is the payload size, okay? So the payload size, I don't need payload size. I need the payload orbit. Payloads orbit. Okay, rocket name, product name, rocket mobility, okay. Rocket boot cost, launch cost. Okay. Now report dot mission earnings equal to data dot mission dot jak coś to robisz tu, nie? Więc wyłączaj tą muzykę. Tak.
Chwilę?
Nie.
Goły?
Tak ci kamera nie widzi. Sorry, this must my brother. So, the mission earnings. I will do it on the mission success pay and report that mission can I crash fail. No, can I? Huh? Okay. Not. Mission earnings. Okay, I know. I'm stupid. Mission earning is equal to data dot mission success pay. That's mission cash pay. So I will just do the minus here. I don't know why did I this that way, but anyway. See how this working. Okay. I think this will be good. We will see later. So this is a static fire. Okay, so now if the mission is infinity, oh, this is my mom. That was of course little. Okay, so wait, I will need to read that code because I don't know what this does. Select exotic rocket data, launch panel mission is. Yes. My mom just came in and she took my cola. I do not allow that. Just took my cola. This is unfair. Okay, so now I think I got it. So let's payloads. Below that is infinity. Okay, so now I will need to for each var key and select the rocket data dot launch maybe dot mission. Okay. Payloads. And then I will just payload is completed. True. Yes, that will do the thing. And then the dot payloads orbit, and I will do this, the same thing, because I need to spawn every satellite again. And yeah. So random set generator, generating Leo satellite, okay. And else then I will just do the same thing for each for every payload. I will spawn a Leo satellite. So thank you Rickland for the satellites models. They are amazing. Okay. I think this is good because I want to avoid bugs in the future. I mean most of them. So I just think about the code twice, maybe couple times. So yes. Ah, this is boring, I know. Okay, so this is at landing, so this is the crashing, okay. I think don't need to stuff in there on the static file too, because I do already have the code, so don't do things twice. I mean, yes, I do it here or not, but I'm stupid. Hello, Mike, because I shouldn't do this here. Maybe I will just leave it. Yeah. Hello, Mike. What's up? Um. Uh, so pressed on the fly and okay. So mission crash pay. Then I will wait for every payload. Again. The is infinity sign is because for example when you have a test mission then you will need to launch the test mission many times. So not that launch a complete and then you can't because this is complete. So yes. Hello, haircuts in space. What's up? So many new people today. That's good. And I think we have the game. Okay, one more thing. One more error to fix. Hmm. So I'm doing EarthX, a game I sell on Steam, and what I'm doing basically is to code the game. I mean the behaviors, all the interactions, the actions you can do in this game. I'm just coding it now. So I mean when you click launch button, then the game knows that you have clicked the launch button, and it can perform action like launch a rocket or something like that. And I have no idea what I'm doing either. So yes, what am I doing? Payload data payload. What's wrong with that? Okay. I don't know. Why wasn't this working area and why is now? I don't know. Programming. It's working now, so this is the good thing. Okay, so let's see if we can run the game, and we can do basically nothing because I've removed the whole game. I mean, the most important part of the game, I just removed it. So, look, I'm now not able to do anything. It's not working because I have removed basically all the mission system. I just removed it because I need to write it new. So now I will switch back to the big camera, and so now we were here, and we have need to fix the game, and now we are here, and we need to do the new UI, and then we are here, and then here, and then here, and then here. But now we are here, so let's begin the work. Yes, let's begin the work. Okay, so this is the game UI, and yes, this is game UI. Nothing special, but the part which impressed me, this UI, is the mission window. I need to remove those stuff and lift this button. That will be it. So I will just the launch button outside, and then yes, and this is it. So I will now scale the button a little bit like that. Okay. Okay, so we did it. So and now I will switch back to the big screen. So we were here and now we are here. So this was basically 5 seconds work. Yes, this is professional mind map. Exactly. And I have more of them, wait. But not outside. Oh yes, wait. So this was, wait, I will show you. If you remember, the negotiation system was kinda stupid. So this was my making stuff map. What is happening with this camera? What the fuck? What? Okay, so my camera is a little bit, but yes, maybe I will show it from here. And this is like the mind map. There's a lot more colors, and I made this in 10 minutes and this in 1 minute. So you get the point. More work, more quality. So I don't need this because this is old, and yes. So okay, we did that UI. So now we need to make the code. Yes. So let's make the code. So I need maybe maybe I will begin. Yes. So the delay is a little bit long because wait, is my camera Oh no. Okay, so the delay is a little bit long because it's about 3 minutes from for me to read the rip cam stuff in the chat. So this was my camera, and yes, this is cuckoo camera. You didn't hear that. Um, so the thing we need to do now, before, sorry, because we are not here, we are still here, my bad, because we need to make the bottom wide. So let's do this pretty fast without any finance. Okay, so I will need that later. That also, and that not. Do I need that? Yes, I need the launch button. What am I talking about? So I will just remove the launch button. Yes, because I mean, making planning stuff on the documents or something like that is you can't find anything. But when you do on the paper, then yes, it's just better that way. Exactly, you just sum it up. Why is everybody walking in and out of this room? Wait, little bit hot in there. Just a little. Okay, so let's make the Y start. So as you can see, there is a fading animation, and this will be fill up like that, and you will be able to get multiple payloads, one pairing each time. So this was my brother. Don't worry, nobody wants to kill me. I'm sometimes afraid of him. Okay, so the payload setup, and now I need to find the project. Be somewhere in the Discord server. Oh. So a lot of scroll up. Like here or not? Or did I post it earlier? Nah, I posted it a little bit higher. So we need to scroll up again. This is the dragon model made by Riklan and the parachutes. So this will be really nice update, really. 3 missions, capsules. Best update ever, probably. This is without the colors. So this is all the chat happening on the server. Okay, so I'm looking for this. Okay, so I got it. I can put the Discord back. Okay, so we have this done. This is, I know this is paint, blueprint, yes. I made this in paint. So I'm professional game dev. Yes. So this is every big companies make their blueprints in paint. Okay, so we need to make the sections. Yeah, dragon. I love dragons. So this is the launch pad and landing zone. So you will be able to select the launch pad and the landing zone if your rocket is reusable. So let's just copy that. I will do some lazy work here. Because I will just like that. Yes. Yes. This is model. This is just a model, but I can show you again. Wait. Oh, and this is the space shuttle, which Rickland is working on, from NASA, you know. And this is amazing model, really. I loved it. So, I mean, this is low poly, I know, but this is so detailed. And the, yes, and the Crew Dragon capsule with solar panels. I will show you that in a moment because this is kinda interesting. Wait, where was that? Oh, here. So this is Blue Dragon in a cargo dragon, which has solar panels deployed, which is sitting up on the Falcon 9 rocket. So, yes. Is it gonna be there sometime? But what? I don't understand the question. The Crew Dragons or the Space Shuttle? Because if you're talking about the both of them, then yes, both of them are going to be at X029 update, which I'm working now on. So this is the first step in that. Okay, so this will be the launchpad selection. Launchpad selection. Okay, and I will change the panels. And the shuttle, yes, it will be available, both of them. So run, and I will make it bigger. That and the icon, the location. Camera dying again. Oh no. Oh no, hey camera. This is pretty hot. The camera is pretty hot. I think it died. It just turned out. So rip camera. I swear, I used this camera. I used this camera for about 1 hour because I bought it yesterday, and I used it for 1 hour for this stream, and it's not working more. So this was my $10 1 hour camera. So this is sad, I know. I will need to buy another one, but maybe not the same. Maybe the other camera, yes. So my camera died, and sorry for that. But wait, I have an idea. Wait, I will do that way. Image, and the image will be Falcon 9 because my SSD is Falcon 9. I mean the name is Falcon 9 because yes. And wait, I will look for maybe Tesla. Yes, my another SSD is Tesla. Also the name is Tesla, and I will go to graphics, and I will take Elon Musk. So this is me right now. Live with that. Okay, so I'm Elon Musk. Hello. Okay, so the Elon Musk is making a game about SpaceX, which was founded by Elon Musk. Kinda amazing. Yes. So you will be able to launch multiple. I mean, I can show you. Wait. I will show you that. Okay, so I mean, this is only a prototype. You will be able to select the payloads like that, and yes, and the firing will, yes. So look, the Elon is playing the game, which the director is Elon. So this is Elon-ception. Elon-ception. So you will be able just to select the payloads like that. Of course, the limited amount because the fairing size isn't unlimited. And yes, this window is just widmo because nothing is working there yet. So let's go to the game UI again. Let's work on this selection again. I mean more, because why not? We'll just make it smaller. And then I will need to add an image. Make the opacity to 0. The same for the payload list, because the dragging isn't working properly. That's amazing, love it. Yes, I love it too, but I need to make it because this is not working for now. Yes. Next, yeah. I will ask for some question with yes because I'm triple yes guy and I love to answer the yes question because they are some so simple. Okay. So I will just change the size of the thing there and I will just give it 15 and the maximal of 18. Yes, the Reclan is working on ISS model. So the Reclan is the guy from the space shuttle, and he made the AI rocket models. He just made the whole game models, except the Earth and the trees and the Tesla Roadster. Can you make Tesla Roadster? Because that voxel model is. I mean, not now, in the future, but yes. Okay, so is that it? Yep. So I will just check it. Lounge, lounge, start select panel, not panel, break set of panel. Okay. So sadly, no camera now. I try to turn it on again, but it's not working. So, but wait. I made a mistake. Because um because we are not launching any rocket now. So we are not going orbital, and Elon is launching the rockets. So we don't have to have Elon Musk, but Jeff Bezos. Because you know, the Elon is launching rockets, yes? So, so we can't use him now. We have to use Bezos. I mean Jeff. Who's Jeff? Because I don't know the last name. But Jeff who? So we have to use Bezos. And to answer your question, what about going to the moon or Mars? I want to add it in 0 to 9, so in this update as well, but I don't know. I don't know. I will just see if I have enough time and so on. So yes, let's just continue our work. So this will be the launchpad selection. I will add some images in the future because that icon is looking pretty stupid and without any life. So I will just copy it 3 times because now in the game you have only 3 launchpads, but in the future, I mean in the same update, in this update, because there are coming so many things in this update. You will be also able to build custom launchpad where you want on the Ecuador. Wow, and you can set it to the public or to the private. And if you set it to the public and the AI wants to launch from your launchpad, then you will get money from them. So this is another income for your starship. And of course, I forgot to mention. Look what is also coming to the camera. Sorry, to the update. To this update. I have here a folder and I have this. Do you know what that is? I hope you do, because everybody knows what that is. And also this. This is also coming in this update. And the reflections, do you see the reflections? This will be in the game. And this is actually in the game. And this model is also made by Riklan. And though, yes, this is some error, but this are the other rockets in the game. I will do for now. But this is some little error. Yes. Yes, in Berlin. Or München. Vacuum. So, content, I will need to create a new child and see the width. Okay, so I have the width. So this is will be there. There. Ta-ta. Okay. And the same amount for this. Now we have a perfect break in the format and you will be fine. So this will be the landing zone selection. Yes, but not in this update. But I want to make this as well, like the rocket customizations. I can't show you that now for you. But yes, you will be able to launch as well the other rocket styles in the future. But not in this update because this is too much work for me. Because I also have some school and some learning and other stuff. I don't think so, Reclam. The Starship model is great and this is more work for me. So please no. Landing zone selection. Okay, and there you will be able to, why is this payload list? I want to, okay, now, launchpad list. And this will be the landing zone list. Starhopper, wait. Please wait. I will show you. So this is my channel. And the Starhopper here. Here we go. So this is in the game as an Easter egg, but this is Starhopper. And yes, I'm going to school. Hello, I'm a kid. Yes, so this is Starhopper. And the landing. So this was basically the 150 meters hop. Yes. Oh, and yes, I think I have no other. Oh, this is Falcon Heavy. this is playable in the game right now, so you can build your own Falcon Heavy and do the side landing. This is the SLS, the fake rocket, and this should be actually a paper rocket. Ricklan, can you make a version of this rocket, but in 2D? Like you have only a paper of it? Like 2D SLS rocket. Because I can make an Easter egg from it. Like, there is a 1% chance that the SLS rocket will be a paper one. So, yes. So I will need now to rework the... I think the same will be good. So, as at 1, this will be the LZ2, and this will be the batch. Maybe obviously. Of course, I still love you. And yes. Yeah, so that will be it. And of course, we have to first select the launchpad, and then you will be able to see that window, because I want to make the launchpad upgrades. So oh, this is beautiful. So you don't have to like when you build a launchpad, then it will be a simple one without any landing zones and so on. But wait, I will show you if I find it. Because I'm looking at the Google Graphics, and I want to show that meme. Like just the rocket dimensional 2D without, because I want to show the SLS as a paper rocket. I can't find this meme anymore. This is kinda sad. I will send you that later. Okay. Other that I think I can do just with the instructions. But of course you will be able to name the birds on your own, but again not in this update probably. Maybe in the next updates. Because I don't want me to do so much work. Because I get pretty bored pretty fast with the stuff. So I just want to have other tasks, other updates. Because I of course add this. Yes, I have Reddit account. I've showed the game there times. Okay, so why isn't my camera working? This is stupid. I don't like that. Okay, so now I'm going to be going Shuttle because I have some office things to do in there. And yes, let's copy that header. And this is just placeholder. I will do it later for real. Yes. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm naming some headers of the stuff so the players know what the fuck is happening. So this will be the launchpad. Select launchpad. Can be also -5. Thank you. You can also go to the Discord server because you can see we have Discord server. This Discord server is amazing. I mean, so many good things here, like the Elon. I don't know what just happened here, but I don't care. But for example, this channel is the best channel. Maybe you can give me some feedback, some ideas on the achievements. We have even some SpaceX NAVs news, and you can follow the progress of the Starship MK4. We can even talk about SpaceX, and you can see the people in there make some gold stuff like the SpaceX rockets models. This is pretty amazing. You can just ask me any questions. Yes. And yes. So, select launchpad. Now I will do select the landing zone. Select landing zone. Maybe I will do them bold. Not bold. Or not. Maybe that a little big. Let's see how that's looking. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Maybe a little bit of padding. So that position -5. That will be good. This is the launchpad. Landing zones. Right? Czego chcesz? To idź spać. Nie. Jest 22. So my body wants to go sleep, but I don't care. So I will do the final stuff. And it here. And here. Okay, so I think it will be enough for today. Because I'm streaming for 1 hour and that will be fine. So thank you everyone for being here. This is actually the most active stream I've ever made. So many messages. I mean, I was not bored. So yes. So thank you for being in there, and I do streams sometimes. I mean, when I have time or not.
Tomorrow,
Not tomorrow.
next stream, 3 p.m. UK time.
Patryk, ten jest dla normików. Ten jest dla normików. Nieważne. Okay, so yes, we can stay in contact on Discord. I will now just end the stream because my voice is lazy today. So yes, so again, thank you and bye bye. Yes, I don't have camera. I was just yeah. Right. I will need to translate something because I forgot the word. Yeah, I was having at the camera, but I don't have a camera because this camera just banned. It turned off and don't want to turn on. And the camera is dead. Bye bye camera. But yes, we don't need a camera when we have Gwyn Shuttle or Elon Musk. Tomorrow I don't know. Tomorrow I think not because I have party and there will be a lot of people in this house. But maybe next week, in a few days. So yes, thank you again. I'm turning off now. So bye bye.